Hello everyone, my name is Archie Singhai. I am a student of MCA 5th semester and today we will discuss about the basics of data science. So in our first video, we will learn the topic Unlocking Data Power, a beginner's guide to R and Python. Welcome to this interactive exploration of R and Python, two of the most popular programming languages in the data science domain. Get ready to learn the fundamentals of coding in these languages and discover how they can help you work with data like a pro. R and Python, abbreviated as RP, as powerful programming languages for data analysis, statistical computing, and general purpose programming. Below are the basics of coding in the both language to help you get started. Why to learn code? Coding empowers you to analyze, visualize, and extract insights from data, uncovering hidden patterns and trends. Career advantages. Skills in R and Python are highly sought after in various fields including data analysis, machine learning, and software development. Getting started with R. Install R. Start by downloading and installing the free R software from the Crane website. RStudio. For a user-friendly interface, download and install RStudio, a powerful IDE for writing and running R code. Explore packages. Discover and install R packages tailored for data analysis, visualization, and machine learning. Essential R data structures: vectors, matrices, lists, and data frames. So, vectors, ordered sequences of elements like numbers or text used to store data in a single dimension. Now move to matrices. Two-dimensional arrays storing data in rows and columns useful for representing tabular data. Lists, flexible data structures capable of holding different data types including vectors, matrices, and other lists. Data frames, commonly used to store data sets with columns representing variables and rows representing observations. Fundamentals of Python syntax. Indentation. Python uses indentation to define code blocks, ensuring readability and code structure. Comments. Use hash to add comments in your code, explaining what the code does and improving readability. Variables. Assign values to variables using the operators and follow remaining conventions for clarity. Working with Python variables and data types. Integers. Integers are the whole numbers without decimals like 1, 2, 3, 10, 12 or -5. Floats. Floats numbers with decimal points like 3.14, 1.5, 6.9, etc. Now move to strings. Sequences of characters enclosed in quotes like hello or Python. Booleans. Logical values representing true or false. Now move to the conditional statements and loops. So what are conditional statements? Conditional statements use if-else statement to execute code based on specific conditions. What are loops? Loops repeat code blocks multiple times using for or while loops, iterating through data or sequences. Functions and modules. Functions. Reusable blocks of code that perform specific tasks, making your code modular and efficient. Modules. Collections of functions and variables providing specialized tools for various tasks. Real-world applications. Data analysis. R and Python are widely used for data analysis, its statistical modeling, and data visualization. Machine learning. These languages power machine learning algorithms, enabling predictive analysis and automation. Web development. So, what is web development? Python is a popular choice for building web application and backend services. The front end was designed with HTML and CSS, and the back end here we use some languages like JavaScript and Python, etc. like languages. Resources for continued learning: books, online courses, and online communities. Books. Explore comprehensive books covering R and Python for data science. Online courses. Enroll in online courses to learn R and Python from experienced instructors. Online communities. Engage with the R and Python communities for support, discussion, and sharing of knowledge. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, and we will meet in the next video.